Welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I'm going to be answering a question that was asked just a couple days ago. They said after you Google and you find your image for your earrings, like what do you do next? What's the next step? And how do you know the measurements for the image of your earrings? So that's pretty simple. So to get the measurements for your earrings, you're gonna first need to go to Amazon and buy your earring blanks. For example, these are just some 2-inch, wood circles, but you can buy 1-inch, you can buy 3-inch. That is just like, it's totally up to you what size you buy. But this is going to give you the measurements so that you know what size to make your earring image. So let's just say, for example, we're going to buy these 2-inch wood circles for our earring blanks. But you can also use, like foam, felt, whatever you have on hand, and just cut it to that size. So let's go ahead and say we're going to use that. So what we need to do next is just go ahead and go to Google and just find a random image. So let's just pick one of these and let's see what we can come up with. So yeah, let's use this one. Good vibes. And like I said, we already know that our image size has to be 2 inches. So that takes care of the measurements for us. So then we need a program to create the template. And the program that I'm using is Publisher, but I'm sure you could also use Microsoft Word. So within Publisher, you're going to need to go to Insert, and then you can go to Shapes. And of course, they have, like, it says oval, but I mean, you can make a circle with the oval. So that doesn't matter. And then, of course, we know 2 inches. So let's change those measurements and get it down to 2 inches. And then from there, it's pretty simple. Just go to Shape Fill, go down the picture, and go to our image that we just downloaded. And y'all, like, we just made an earring template. Once I find it, and I actually used to sell earring templates on my website, but look at that. It's there. It's perfect. Yeah, and you don't have to have the outline. It's totally up to you. And because you're doing earrings, you want to do a front and back, or you can have a different image for the back. That's totally up to you. Leave it blank, whatever. So you will need 4 of these for an earring. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's not really too much to it. But if you have any more questions at all, please feel free to let me know, reach out. And if you would like me to create a custom template for you, like I said, I used to sell these for like $1, $2. Just let me know. I can do that for you as well. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. I will see you guys soon. Bye.